First is good morning. Good morning to everyone. Thanks to joining with us from India and even from the outside of India. So we are all here together to for doing. I'll do some demonstration. Some demonstration work. First of all, let me introduce myself. Who am I? So am I capable for doing this thing? That is a that is a bigger thing. So the thing is that I am with this industry for last almost 10 years. So in India only, but I have done a couple of Indian projects and as well as some international projects. So now I am working in Technicolor Bangalore in the advertising division MEDI as a senior DMP artist, senior concept and DMP artist. So this is a good. We had a good time actually in this long 10 years. I enjoyed the whole process, and I had worked in a couple of good projects as well, like Transformer, Sin City 2. So I did something good. Let's start with the demonstration. So I have drawn this perspective lines first. I have done something, some little bit of perspective thing. So maybe a couple of you know that this composition is all about the 3-point perspective. It's a bit technical term, but it's a 3-point perspective thing where we should have 3 points on that perspective. So I have drawn already some grid lines for my perspective reference. And after that, I did some sketch on top of it. So this is a composition. Is it visible, that drawing? No? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So yes. So this is the drawing what I did. This is a very low angle kind of stuff, and it's a simple 2 buildings are there. Actually 3 buildings are there, and then 1, 2, and then 3. I don't know what happened with it. Yes. So 3 buildings are there and some foliages are there. It's after this basic line drawing, I did some basic light and shadow thing. So because I need a good reference, where the light comes from and then how it will react. So I have what I have decided that I will hit the light from this side. Actually, not this side, from top kind of stuff, and so what I am assuming, it hits this areas little bit, and maybe the lighting will be. So this is just a simple reference. So after that, I started searching reference, because what I did, my process is, I'm not paint it properly, everything. I started a bit help of some images for the texture and all. So I have used couple of like 1 minute. Let me open. Okay. So like I have seen this image. So I got this reference. So this helps me a lot for the lighting thing, and this one also. This is kind of like a light hit, but I was assuming, and so my process is, I always use the real life references, because this is the only thing what can motivate us, or which can give us a proper reference. So these are the 2 reference I took. These are the 2. Oh, sorry, no, I have to. Okay, these are the 2 reference which I will follow to create this artwork. And after that, what I did some I have done okay. After that, what I thought, let me add one character here. So I have roughly paint the scale of a character. Uh, I have added one character here because to show the scale of the whole PG. And after that, I did this one. A very basic. Let's forget about the character now. Very does some textures of the buildings and all. So I did this. And as you know, as per the I have a foreground, a strong foreground in the a light in a traffic pole kind of thing. So I will add it. I will add character. The light direction comes from the left. So I have done this. So because to create this building textures, I have created this building. I just cut it and paste it and painted it in some places. Like these windows are small now, and these are very big. So I will do the smaller size of this windows also, like this one. So I will do that, and so I have couple of other images also which I use for uh, this one, and the fence, foliage, and almost everything except the road. So this is how it will be as of now. So I think, after that, beyond that, I will start. After that, I'm not going to use any texture or something. I will paint it properly as per the light, or as per the what is that word? The interaction is concerned, the light and shadow, the overall composition, and at the same time, I have added one. I have added two character here, two monks, and one foreground element also, as per my drawing. One as well. So अभी ये ऐसा है कि भाई मैंने थोड़ा सा एक बार ड्राइंग किया हुआ था। एक मैंने कुछ पर्सपेक्टिव लाइन ड्राइंग करने के बाद, ड्रॉ करने के बाद उस पर थोड़ा सा एक सिंपल एक लाइन ड्राइंग किया हुआ था। आई थिंक इट्स अपडेटिंग प्रॉपरली। ओके, राइट। सो इसके बाद मैंने एक सिंपल ड्राइंग किया हुआ था, और मैंने पर्सपेक्टिव लाइन पे बेस करके फिर उस पर मैंने थोड़ा लाइट एंड शेडो ऐड किया था। मेरा सोर्स लाइट कहाँ पे है? मेरा सोर्स लाइट एक्चुअली थोड़ा यहाँ से होगा, दिस रेड लाइन, एंड उसके ऊपर बेस करके मैंने थोड़ा लाइट एंड शेडो को रफली पेंट कर लिया था। फिर अभी इसके ऊपर मैंने एक कैरेक्टर रखा कि मुझे थोड़ा स्केल कैसा होगा वो समझने के लिए, जो थोड़ा ऐसा दिखता है। अभी ये ओवरऑल जो डार्कनेस है ये ऐसा है। अभी इस पे हम लोग लाइट पेंट करेंगे। मेरा लेफ्ट साइड से मेरा डायरेक्शनल लाइट है, उस हिसाब से ये कंपोजिशन कैसे फील होगा, कैसा ओवरऑल देखते तो होगा। बिकॉज व्हाट हैपेंड दैट दिस इज अ वेरी टाइम टेकिंग प्रोसेस। अप टू दिस मच आई हैव टू ब्रेनस्टॉर्म अ लॉट what will be the composition will be, but and especially the perspective and everything that takes too much time to set up to this much. So that's why I took some of my leisure time, and then I did this much basic. So I think this is good to go right now. Let's start working on beyond that. Okay, right now what happens is the windows are a bit bigger. This is okay, but this is very big, so I will reduce it. So I'm reducing this. This is not coming. So I need a little bit of brushing to remove this area. At the same time, I have to scale down this as well. Okay, this is different. Okay, so I have reduced the the window size a little bit. This gives me the scale overall because I think the bigger windows are not giving me proper scale. Okay, only this and this trees are left. To me.